Hello everyone! Is your computer frequently hanging or running slowly? In today's video, we are sharing a complete guide on computer repair and maintenance, covering the best practices to keep your PC in top shape. If you're tired of technical issues, this video is for you. Let's get started. Imagine a computer that handles every task seamlessly without any hiccups. Today, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instructions on how you can repair and maintain your computer on your own, saving you from expensive service charges. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's discuss basic troubleshooting. When your computer is slow or unresponsive, start with these simple steps. Often, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. It's one of the most effective and easiest steps. Second, open the Task Manager to see which applications are consuming the most resources. Close any unnecessary programs to free up memory. And third, make sure your operating system and drivers are up to date. Software updates usually come with performance improvements and bug fixes. Following these steps can often resolve common issues. If you still face problems, let's move on to the next section, hardware maintenance. Now let's talk about hardware maintenance. These tips will help extend the lifespan of your computer. Dust buildup inside your computer can cause overheating. Use compressed air and a soft brush to clean out the dust. Second, ensure all cables and connections are secure. Replace any loose or damaged cables immediately. And third, if you're comfortable with advanced maintenance, consider replacing the thermal paste on your CPU. This technical step is crucial for preventing overheating. These simple maintenance tips help keep your system running efficiently and can save you from costly repairs later on. Next, let's cover software maintenance and security. Keeping your system clean and secure is essential. Run regular scans with your antivirus software. Malware or viruses can significantly slow down your system and compromise your data. To run a quick virus scan, right-click on the Windows security icon on your taskbar and click on Run Quick Scan. Use built-in Windows tools for disk cleanup and defragmentation. This process optimizes your hard drive and improves performance. To run an optimization, right-click on your hard drive, go to Properties, then go to the Tools tab and click on the Optimize button. When another window opens, select your hard drive and click on Optimize again. And third, always maintain a regular backup routine. Use cloud storage or an external hard drive to safeguard your data against loss. If you're using an external storage, make sure any important files are copied to the external drive as a backup. For cloud solutions, in our example, we are using OneDrive. Make sure that you've logged in and the backups are running successfully. There should be a green tick mark on the OneDrive icon if the backups are running properly. Following these software maintenance steps will help keep your computer both fast and secure. And finally, here are a few preventive maintenance tips. Avoid overloading. Don't run too many heavy applications simultaneously. Schedule regular restarts and restart your system every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh. Keep up with updates. Regularly install system updates and patches. To check for updates, click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Then go to Update and Security and here click on Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If there are any relevant updates to your PC, they will be installed automatically. Incorporating these preventive tips into your routine can help you avoid major repair issues in the future. That's our complete guide to computer repair and maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Also, click the bell icon to receive notifications every time we post a new video. Your feedback helps this channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.